there are some things you might not take note of, and these are things that you are meant to always do every time before you upload a new video. In this video, I am going to be telling you those things you need to be doing every time before you upload a new video on your YouTube channel. The reason why I'm telling you this is because all these things are very important, and these are things that are going to boost your YouTube algorithm, and it will push your video to get the right engagement and the right views. So if you are interested in this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share to your loved ones. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell also. And without further ado, let's get started. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okunola Hannah, and in this video I am going to be teaching you the 7 most important things you have to always do whenever you are about to upload any video on your YouTube channel. These things are very important, and these are things you must not look away from, because these are things that will help boost your YouTube engagement and help you to get more views. So what are the things I am talking about? So the first thing you have to always do before you upload a new video is always reply every pending comments you have. You might look at it like, what am I saying? The reason why is that when a new viewer comes to your YouTube channel and watch one of your videos, and the viewer is very interested and love the video content you posted, and the viewer commented on your video, if you do not reply that video before you upload another video, you might still get the right engagement, and it might still push your video, might still be pushed again to the viewer. But when you reply that viewer before he or she watches your new video, as you know, every video comes, there's a way it comes in an ascending order. So now let's assume that this is the former video you did, as in the most recent video you did, and there was a lot of pending comments on that video. When you reply every comment, let's assume that you have 10 comments on that video, and you reply all those 10 comments, and let's now say that maybe a few hours after you uploaded a new video, those viewers will get notifications on how you responded to them, either to appreciate them or to answer their questions, because there's no way in every video there's always inquisitiveness. People surely ask questions, and there's a way you answer that question and they enjoyed it. The moment you are replying them, they will get the notification at their own end. And the sweet thing about this thing is that the moment you also upload another video, maybe few hours later or few days after, they will also get the notification, because YouTube algorithm has noticed that there was a communication between your channel and their account or their channel. So YouTube will naturally feel that, okay, there's an engagement in this person's channel or in this person's video. Let us suggest another video to that person. Trust me, whether the person subscribe or not, even if the person is not your subscriber, even if that viewer is not your subscriber, the moment you keep engaging them and they are getting engagement, before you know it, someday they will be interested in subscribing to your channel. But even before that subscription can take place, your views are increasing. Subscribers are important, no lies. But also, I want you to understand today that your views matters. In fact, when you are getting higher views, in as well that you've meet up with the 1,000 subscriber threshold and you're getting a lot of views, whether your subscribers are much or not, you will be paid by YouTube. So your views matters a lot. And when you reply your viewers well, they will get interested in wanting to watch more of your videos. So this work a lot. This is a very, very simple trick that can help to push. Before you know it, naturally your new video that you are uploading, it will get its own right engagement. Whether you push it or not, YouTube by itself will do the job for you, because you've done your due diligence in your other videos. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is, make sure you edit your videos well. Make sure that whatever you are posting on your YouTube channel is worth it. It takes a lot for people to use their time and data to watch someone's content and they're not getting value for it. But when every of your video is well edited and they get value for what they are watching, because I know some people that when they watch a video, they can even watch it 2 times, 3 times. They'll just keep watching it. Some will even come back to watch the videos again. And when YouTube notice that viewers are coming back to watch your videos again, they call people like that returning viewers. YouTube by itself will push your video for you to get more views. And also, when you upload a new video, you naturally get the right views, because the past videos you've uploaded, the people got value for it, especially when there are engagement in the previous videos you've uploaded, in the sense of who like your video or they commented on your video and they share your videos. So always make sure that whatever the content you are uploading are valuable content. I'm not talking about valuable in the sense that an iPhone camera or a Samsung camera. No, if you have that, it is fine. Clean your camera lens and make sure you create a good video. If you do not have a good background, try to check online and learn how to make fake backgrounds. If you want me to teach you how to make fake backgrounds, let me know in the comment section. I am going to work on that. So you can learn all these things, and these are things that will help you to get the right engagement, because viewers will be interested in how genuine and how valuable your videos are. The third thing that you need to always do before you upload your video is using catchy title. Your video title, let it be catchy. Sometimes you might make valuable videos, but because your titles are not catchy, some viewers might not want to watch it. Except if you build your audience to the state that whether your videos are catchy or not, they will watch it. But in all, make sure that your title are catchy. If you are someone that are not really good at thinking of the right title for your video, you can make use of Chat GPT on Google or Meta AI on WhatsApp. You just tell them to give you a short video title, because if you do not type short, it might be very long. Just tell them short video title based on that video that you are making. Your title alone can help attract the right viewers to your video after you've uploaded your video. So this is very important. Please take note of it. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is making use of cards. Cards is very important when you are uploading a video. Like now, for example, as I am explaining in this video, there's a lot of things I've said already that I will drop here. The moment I'm pointing my finger, when editing this video, I am going to be placing some video links so that the moment I am pointing my finger, you'll be able to click it. Those things that I'm pointing my finger at is naturally called card. I have a very detailed video on how to upload video. So when you check that video, I am going to drop it here. So when you check that video, you are going to see a lot of things you have to fill in, as in it's just like you filling some information and some requirements. That thing will naturally help you to push your video in the right way. So one of those things that help in pushing your video is also making use of cards. So the next thing is making use of end screen. Some people will say that they can't make use of end screen because not everyone watch their videos to the end. I have said it earlier, when your videos are valuable, when people get value for your videos, they will be glued to the video to the end and they will watch it to the end. They won't think of skipping anywhere or not watching to the end. End screen are those videos that are suggested on a specific video that you've uploaded at the end of that video. And end screen is not just limited to videos alone. It can help you to suggest your playlist. Playlist is that list of videos that you've compiled together, like you save together, so that it will be easy for people to access your video. Or maybe you have a long streak of videos on your channel. People don't have to search and search. All they need to do is just to check the playlist. You can even easily suggest your channel to be subscribed. Maybe someone that doesn't want to subscribe, they can easily click on the end screen. There's a lot of things that you can suggest using the end screen, and these are things that you have to always do before you upload your video on your YouTube channel. Another thing you need to take note of is making use of the right thumbnail. Thumbnail is that image that always pop out at the beginning of a video. Thumbnail mostly help people to have an idea of what the video is about. Even before they read the title, the video title, the thumbnail has a way of drawing people attention. You just notice I said drawing people attention. If you want your videos to get the right engagement, always make sure that you use catchy thumbnail. Do not let your thumbnail to be too busy, as in too busy in the sense that too much information. Just make your thumbnail to be something that people eyes can easily pick the details immediately the moment they are watching it, as in their mind and their eyes can easily pick what your video is about, not them try to search all around what the video is about. All these things I'm still mentioning so far, aside from the editing part and the replying of comments part, these are all in the options you are going to come across when you're about to upload your video. And mind you, all these things you might not come across it when you use your YouTube app to upload videos. You might not come across it. The only time you can come across it is when you watch this video that I'm telling you to watch on how to properly upload videos on YouTube. And when you watch that video, you are going to see the right site in which you are meant to use in uploading videos on YouTube. And it will guide you to know the right way to upload and the right procedure to follow. So you can see some of these things I'm mentioning in the sense of end screen, cards. You might not see it on your YouTube app. The options are not there. And also, the beautiful thing about uploading thumbnail is that there's this feature on that site that will give you the chance to be able to upload three types of thumbnails. And these thumbnails, it is called test and compare. in the sense that when you upload those thumbnails for the next 7 days, YouTube will be they'll be rotating those thumbnails to be able to know the ones that are is more catchy, the one that will attract more viewers to your YouTube channel. So all these things work hand in hand. As I've always said, all these options are not just there to play. There's a reason why YouTube place all those options on their on the YouTube dashboard. So when you follow those procedure well, you'll be able to understand these things I am talking about. And the last I'm going to be talking about is you making use of the right description in your description box before you upload your video, using the right keywords. What matters is not just about you typing and typing. Make use of the right keywords. Like for example, in this video I'm talking about now, I said 7 things to do before uploading your videos. Make sure that in your description box there's something that has to do with some things you said in the video already. Like I've mentioned uploading, views and everything. So when you are composing your description, your description for you to upload your videos, make sure that there's something that has to do with like upload or views, something pertaining to the words that are in the videos that you are trying to upload. This naturally will make YouTube understand that okay, this person is explaining, like describe what is expected for you to watch in the video. You understand? Like what is expected of you to come across as what you are going to see meet in the video. You are already describing it in the description box. And if you're also someone that doesn't really know how to compose, or maybe you after the stress of you making your video and everything, you still do not have that strength to rack your brain to get the right description, you can make use of chat gpt or meta ai on Google or Google Chrome, or make use of your WhatsApp. There's a lot of ways you can access chat gpt. So when you type it, just tell them short description on your video title. Like for example, you can just say short description on how to upload properly on YouTube. So when you tell them short description, they'll be able to give you ideas like 10 lines or 5 lines, and you get beautiful details that it is very presentable and catchy. This is just like an addition. Most things most people do not know is that you do not think of all these things I've mentioned so far when you are about to upload your video. I really made that mistake for a very long time, and it affected my YouTube channel badly. Not this one, my YouTube channel that teaches on fashion designing and your fashion and more. It affected it a lot, in the sense that it is the moment I am about to upload my video, I start racking my brain to think of the thumbnail, to think of all those things. The moment you are getting an inspiration to create a content, there are some ideas that will come into your mind. Your pen and jotter should always be close to you. Always jot them or jot it in your phone notepad. The moment you started creating that content and everything, you're already thinking of all those things you are going to add, all those things you need to type the right word, the right hashtag, the keywords you are going to make use of. And also make sure that everything you are doing in terms of your title, your end screen, it should be something that complements that video that you just finished or that your viewers just finished watching. Like for example, there are things I've suggested already in this video. So let it be something that it will easily prompt them to want to watch the next video, not just something different entirely. And even it to be different entirely, let it one way or the other work hand in hand. So do not just suggest something that is entirely different, that will just be like a turn off from them not wanting to watch your next video. So with these few tips I've shared with you, I hope you learned something new, and I hope you are going to put it into practice. So if it works for you, please tell me in the comment section what worked for you and how it worked for you. It is an encouragement for me to do more. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and please share to your loved ones so they can benefit from this video also. See you in my next video. Love you and bye.